In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button colors in Shopify Dawn theme. If you're using the Dawn theme and want your buttons to match your brand, the easiest way to do it is right inside Shopify. No code required. We'll use the built-in theme editor so your changes apply consistently to buttons like Add to Cart and Buy Now across your store. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. Find your Dawn theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. This is where you see a live preview of your storefront on the right and your controls on the left, so you can make changes and immediately see how they look. Inside the theme editor, look for the Settings panel. It's the gear icon, usually in the bottom left or top corner depending on your screen size. Click that to open Theme Settings, then choose Colors. This is the central place for all the palette controls used by the theme. Within Colors, you'll see dedicated options for buttons. Solid Button Background controls the fill color for your primary buttons, while Solid Button Label changes the text color inside those buttons. If you're using secondary or outline style buttons, use the Outline Button options to set the border and label colors for those. Think of primary buttons as the high-emphasis actions, and outline buttons as secondary actions. Keeping them visually distinct helps guide shoppers naturally through your store. You can pick colors using the color picker or type in exact values if you already have brand colors. Hex codes, RGB values, or common color names all work. If you're unsure which shade to use, start with your brand's primary color for the solid background and pair it with a high-contrast label color, typically white or near black. As you adjust, watch the preview update in real time to confirm the text stays legible. Good contrast isn't just about style. It improves accessibility and readability on mobile and desktop. When you're happy with the look, click Save. Your updates will apply across all buttons that follow the theme's default styling, keeping everything consistent without touching any code. If a button somewhere doesn't change, it's likely using custom styling from an app or a section that isn't tied to the theme's button settings. That's all you need. Using the Colors panel in the Dawn theme editor gives you a clean, brand-cohesive button style that's fast to set up, easy to adjust later, and dependable across your storefront.